Hello. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create the proxy that you have imported and then edited. I'm going to teach you how to turn that into a block. Okay. Now, we've gone over what a block is and what a block does, and the main reason for taking your proxies and turning them into blocks is it basically allows your machine to handle all that geometry, which is, in a sense, not really there. Okay. Now, in order to do this, and we have gone over blocks quite a bit in class, but I'm just going to go over it here in case you are a little bit befuddled. It's pretty simple. What we do is you select your object, and then you can go ahead and just type in the command block like that. Okay. And once you have done that, it's going to ask you for the block base point. It's a good idea to pick something. Now, this is a mesh, so you want to make sure you've got your vertex snap on. It's a good idea to pick somewhere on the bottom where you know that this object is sitting, like that. Okay. And now I'm going to name this thing, instead of block 1, I'll name it rock 1, just like that. And I'll say it's a rock proxy, like that. And I could say rock proxy for Vray, but no big deal. And I'll hit OK. And there we go. I've just created a block, right? And so now with this thing selected, if I type in the what command, it actually tells me it's a block instance, and it tells me that this is the place in Cartesian space where this block lives. All right, so it's actually greatly reduced the amount of data associated with this particular piece of geometry. Okay, so I can now take this rock and I can copy it again and again and again and again and again and again and again. And you'll notice nothing's happening in the VFB, but as soon as I hit enter, I've actually populated this thing with rocks. Okay, now it's a good idea if you're taking rocks to go ahead and rotate them a little bit so they don't all look more or less identical. All right, and I'm going to go back to my perspective, rotate them around, and as you can see, lots and lots of different rocks. Okay, so that is how you take an instance and turn it into a block. Okay, for more about blocks, you can go ahead and dive into some of the earlier videos, but I'm going to stop the video right now, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.